Hello my dear foodies! Welcome to Afreen's Tasty Kitchen. Today's recipe is Instant Jalebi, which can be prepared in just 20 minutes and can be enjoyed with the whole family. That also with the basic ingredients present at the home. I'll be giving tips for perfect crispy jalebi, so watch the video till the end. Please do hit the like button to extend your support to my channel. Let's get started with the process. Take a bowl, add 1 cup maida, 2 tablespoon curd, 1 tablespoon rice flour for crispy jalebi, a pinch of orange red food color, and mix them well. It's optional to add the red food color. If you're not having it, you can even add a pinch of turmeric powder. Now add little by little water and make a lump-free batter. Don't pour all the water at once. Keep adding little water and keep mixing the batter. Also remember, the batter should not be runny. So batter is ready now. Keep this aside for 5 minutes and prepare the sugar syrup now. Take a pan, add 2 cups sugar, and 1 cup water. Keep the flame in medium and let the sugar dissolve. Now add lemon juice of half lemon to avoid crystallization of sugar. Once you get the string-like consistency, switch off the flame and keep this sugar syrup aside. Now take the jalebi batter, add a pinch of soda, and mix well. Don't add more than a pinch or else the jalebi will break. So next, I have taken a plastic cone to fill in the batter. You can also use a sauce bottle or any polythene cover or even a cloth. Now pour the batter and seal the cone. See that there are no air bubbles left. Later, cut the tip of the cone. This decides the thickness of your jalebi. Now, let's check the temperature of the hot oil. The oil should not be too hot. Once its temperature is down, let's start adding batter to the oil. Once you add the batter, the jalebi should start from inside make circles and then come back to the center where you started. I will show you more jalebis so that you will know how to make jalebi in good shape. Don't worry if you are not getting proper shape. It's important to have tasty jalebi at the end. Flip the jalebi and cook from both sides. Remember to fry the jalebis in low flame. So, once it's done, add the jalebis to the sugar syrup immediately. Dip the jalebis well. And then flip the jalebis so that the sugar syrup is coated well. Now, remove the jalebis in a serving plate. You can enjoy these yummy jalebis with your family in this lockdown time. You can give any shape to jalebi. You can also make small jalebis if you are not able to make big ones. These jalebis are so perfect and resemble same like the jalebis you have bought from outside. The important tips to remember are the jalebis should be fried in low flame. If you don't want crispy jalebi and you want to have soft jalebi, then skip the rice flour. Don't keep the jalebi in sugar syrup for more than 5 minutes. Enjoy these crispy jalebis with your family and spend your lockdown time to the best with the minimal ingredients and easy process. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Okay then, see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.